All right, folks, we're out here at Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out the Avon Park site. We're going to take up the Carbon Cub S2. See what we can do with her. It's awfully windy today, so see if we can't have a little bit of fun with her. Wind's out of the northeast, so kind of sort of have a sketchy sort of landing here. I have to learn to see if we can't just kind of windsurf there a little bit.
Flaps up.
Okay. All right. Let me get her on the runway like I'm not supposed to do. See if I can't land this thing. But I don't, like I say, I don't have the best, terrible cross breeze across the runway here. So. All right. Yeah, may not be able to do much flying today, folks. Because basically I'm going across runway. I can pull off a little bit of a knife edge here. All right. Yeah, definitely not going to be able to do much scale flying right now. All right. Yeah, that wind is fierce today. Fierce today. It's fun you can have a little cub. Try to keep it in close for you if I can. Practice my coordinated turns here, where you're trying to keep your plane as flat as possible in the turn. Very important skill with a high wing cub, especially them curved wings like that. Here's a flat turn here. Okay, flat turn, because cubs are famous for tip stalling, especially the curved winged ones. So that's why I try to practice my flat turns, or coordinated turns, some people call them. Here we go. But this wind is not making it fun. I mean, it's important to learn how to fly in wind. Definitely do it with a plane you have a lot of confidence with. But then again, part of this sport is to have fun and enjoy yourself. And if you're having to constantly fight it, then you're not having much fun. That was a lousy landing. All right. A little bit of a knife edge here. See if we can't do an actual proper landing this time. Hard to do though with this. Just plopping it down. That's not what you're supposed to do. Let me try this again. All right. My wind is out of the northeast. So let's try. Yeah, a little bit better. A little bit better, but not a whole lot better. Whoa, that wind, man. Wind is not being nice to me today. I'm running a 2200 smart lipo enter, just so you know. That's better. But that northeast wind, I'm facing the northeast right now, and it's about a 7-8 mile an hour wind right now in this light little plane. Well, we got 38 seconds. Do one more takeoff. Try to keep it in low and tight. Yeah. Like I say, the wind is not my friend today. Not my friend today. Okay, folks, well, that'll wrap it up for this flight. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Try to like and subscribe to me if you can. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hug your family. Thank you so much.